Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Got one of our water trucks in off of rent. It looks like it's ready to go back out. We just got to go through the water shack, get it cleaned up again. Beautiful machine. In pretty good shape. Rubber looks really good. Got some front end head sprays. This baby is available for rent or purchase here at Star Tractor. Okay. View of the cab here. Again, if you're looking for something like this, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Thank you, and God bless.